Now, the only reason why I'm even running a spacer this time around, like I said in the previous video, I've really never been a fan of spacers. I've seen too many of them break. But I noticed a lot of people been using the better grade of hub-centric spacers here lately to actually race with. So this is my first time experimenting with them. But the wheels I had were some the SVEs, which when I bought them, I was gullible enough to think or believe somebody that told me that they were actually lighter than the race stars, which, 12 years later, I know that ain't true. So anyway, this set here I actually purchased from a guy that had them on a 2010 GT500, and I actually, for some reason, they're advertised that they're supposed to fit right on. Of course, you know how that is. And so I guess the pad height is different on the 11 to 14s than the I guess 05 to 10s or 05 to 09s or whatever. So that's what I ran into. And of course, the guy I bought them from, he gave me a good price on them. But so far I'm satisfied with them. They were clean. Of course, I scratched the inside up a little bit when I tried to mount them the first time around back in January. And that's just how long they've been sitting around, waiting for me to try to figure out if I wanted to sell them or order some spacers. So, but yeah, he didn't mention having to use any spacers, which I think he probably did, because it looked like the inside of the wheel had been touched up with some paint to make them look good on the inside again, because my caliper rubbed a little bit when I first put them on. That told me right then to take them back off, and they just sat. Anyway, with that said, those SVEs, man, they bolted right on, no problems. Only thing I hated about those SVEs, that they were just so delicate, seemed like every time you touch them, they wanted to scratch or chip or whatever. And of course, they were heavy. And these are not actually that light either. I thought they were like the S77s and the, I guess, what is it, the SRT 71s, whatever. You guys know what I'm talking about. That's what I was really looking for when I found these, but he gave me a pretty good price on them, and they looked like they were brand new. Even the tires didn't have a lot of wear on them, so I didn't pass it up. But they're not much lighter than the SVEs, probably because of the type of tire, and it's not it's not the wheel that I thought it was, even though it's a wheel. But we're gonna try them out for a while until I can find some of the lighter wheels and go from there.